Okay, this is going to be the first start on my 1983 Honda 185S that I've been restoring. It's more of a budget restoration, but I like painted the frame and stuff. I have a playlist, so if anyone's interested, I painted the frame. I did a new cylinder and top end, so I just did piston stuff. I got it to where it'll run right now. I haven't started it yet, so we'll see if it starts. All right, here we go. Hopefully it starts. It should, though. Just the carburetor, but that's no big deal. This is the first time I started it, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be running it. When the paint starts to when it's cooking off, I'll let it do that a little bit more. I'll shut it off. So I'm gonna do a couple of heat cycles, and that'll be my break-in since I just did top end. So hell yeah, real happy. So sounds good too.